Hello everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, the kitchen talks, and today I'm going to talk about the dietary fats. Dietary fat is made up of fatty acids and is divided into two parts, the saturated fat and the unsaturated fats. The saturated fat are also known as solid fat. These fat contains a high proportion of fatty acid molecules with a single bond and are solid at room temperature, like cheese and butter. Saturated fat is also found in tropical oils such as coconut oil, palm oil and cocoa butter. We find these kind of fats in many snacks, coffee creamer and whipped topping. Also food made with butter and sweetening etc. like cake, cookies, desserts contain much more of saturated fats. Other than these, fast food, street side snacks, certain frozen meals and red meat are high in saturated fats. The saturated fat are considered unhealthy. It can raise the cholesterol level and increase the risk of heart diseases. On the other hand, the unsaturated fat contains double or more bonds between the fatty acid molecules and is liquid at room temperature. It is mostly extracted from plant sources. Unsaturated fats are healthier than saturated fats and are divided into two parts, the monounsaturated fats and the polyunsaturated fats. The monounsaturated fats are considered one of the healthy dietary fats. They remain liquid at room temperature. Eating foods high in monounsaturated fats may help lower your LDL or the bad cholesterol. It may also keep good cholesterol or the HDL levels high. But only eating unsaturated fat without cutting back on saturated fat won't help you lower your cholesterol. Sources of monounsaturated fatty acids are avocados, olive oil, canola oil, nuts, etc. So now we have an idea that the oil that contains monounsaturated fats are good for our health. The polyunsaturated fats are mainly found in vegetable oil, sunflower oil, sesame oil, soybean oil and corn oil. This is also the central fat we find in the seafood like salmon, tuna and mackerel. Polyunsaturated fats are also healthy dietary fats. They help to lower the LDL or the bad cholesterol levels. There are two types of polyunsaturated fats, the omega-3 fatty acid and the omega-6 fatty acids. The omega-3 fatty acid is found mainly in the fish oil and the shellfish. They are also found in plant products like soybean oil, canola oil and walnuts. They are beneficial for our health and they protect against the high blood pressure. The omega-6 fatty acids are found mostly in soybean oil and corn oil. They also help to reduce the bad cholesterol, increase the good cholesterol and reduces the risk of heart diseases.